What's up, catchers? It's the Catchy family here. We decided to take the kids to the beach. It's actually quite late. It's 4 in the afternoon. The weather is perfect. There is like no clouds. It's perfect and it's warm and the sun is shining. So we decided to just come here and see if it's a lot of people or not. Right, Liam? You're excited? Yeah, you're gonna swim? You think it's cold in the water?
Not that much.
No, let's hope it's not. And as usual, like just to come to the beach, we pack like the whole car. Here we have the towels, and here's a little bit of stuff to eat. Here's a little bit of clothes in case it starts raining and stuff. There's a cricket in the car. It just flew away. Need to put my hat on because the sun is really strong. And I even have my sunglasses. I'm gonna get it. Let's see. Now we're talking. Yeah. Is it cold? Was it cold?
Yes.
A lot?
Yes.
You're gonna go in anyway?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
It's really cold. Oh my God. What?
I got a jellyfish.
You got a jellyfish.
Yes.
That was a big one.
Yeah.
This one is the kind that doesn't sting, right? Yeah. There are actually some that sting, so be careful. You need to know before you get them, before you touch them, otherwise it will sting and it will hurt a lot. So these ones we know they don't sting. So make sure that if you're gonna touch one, you need to know that they do not sting. We're having the classical Swedish fika.
Hello.
Hi, there you are. And it's like, get one and show them. It's like cinnamon rolls. And it's really classic. You just buy it at the grocery store. And it's called gifla. And it comes in a little bag like this. And fika in Swedish means take a coffee break.
Yeah.
And it's like just chill and eat some pastries.
Really
and-
addictive.
yeah, it is. It's really hard to stop eating.
Like Pringles. Once you pop, you can't stop.
Pringles! It's not Pringles. And we're not getting paid. So Pringles, you should sponsor our video.
Yeah, or program.
You like this? Giffles? It's the same name as our guinea pig.
Alright.
What did you find?
A big jellyfish first, it's dead.
The kids wanted to go to a little pond there is on the other side of these trees. And now we need to walk on a little.
It was actually I that wanted to go there.
You wanted to go where?
There.
And what's there?
Frogs. What we can catch.
You want to catch them. But we're not taking them home. We're just saying hi and then releasing them. Yeah. So.
But we can pet them also.
Yeah, we can pet them. Of course.
And maybe we can come here another day and then we can take it again.
Yeah, you love frogs, right?
Yeah. If it remembers us. If it wants to be our friend or not.
Yeah, let's see. The beach is behind these sand dunes. They are actually covered with grass, but it's all sand. And the little pond where the frogs live are just behind these trees. And is gonna put the picnic blanket, and the pond where the frogs live is over there. There are two, actually not two, it's like one tiny one there, but the big one is where most frogs live. So let's see if we find any. We need to go slow. You see any? Oh, there was one that jumped. Can you see any?
No.
They just dive in. Oh, they're like this big and green. You see any?
I'm gonna go into the water.
No, you can't go. No, you can't go into the water. To the water. You're going to fall, and it's like a dirty water. You need to go walk slowly and then see if you find the frog. We see one just here, just right there. I'll see if I can zoom in. It's right over there. There. Oh, you got it!
I got it!
No. Is it there? No.
Oh, how
It got away.
it got away.
What did we catch?
Tadpoles.
Tiny frog babies. Be really careful. Really, really careful. Can you get one?
I will see.
If you put your hand under the net and then...
They're terrifying.
Aww.
No, it's upside down. There it.
Oh, you're so cute. Such a tiny little frog.
It wants to go out.
Can you hold still? Hi, little baby frog.
It's trying to eat. Oh, the little mouth. The little mouth. Look, the little mouth.
Du måste stå stilla.
The little mouth. Look on the little mouth.
Aww.
I have never seen.
Yeah. Put it back in the water. It needs to go back in the water.
Yes, it's bubbling.
Bye-bye.
Oh. And I will take the other one too. It's younger. Younger. I will give you. Oh, it's upside down too.
Oh.
There's a small.
Put it back in the water. Bye-bye.
It's good that it's.
Riktigt sjukt igen.
Wow.
Kolla vilka steg.
That was a really big one.
Look at those.
Can I feel it?
Yeah. But don't take it up. It will bite you probably. Just
The kids went up the dunes to watch the sea. Was it pretty, Liam?
Yes. Look how much sand I have. There.
Better?
Yes.
Andy went to get the car because Chloe doesn't have any shoes and we came from the wrong direction. Right, Liam? No?
Yes, we did. Hi.
Hi, what did you find?
Someone have a forgotten there's shoe. There.
Yeah.
And I don't know why, but why did they leave?
They probably forgot.
But it's only one shoe.
Yeah, they took the other one and forgot this one.
But why couldn't he feel that he doesn't have one there, and he has one there.
Probably the mom or the dad helped the kid in the car, and the kid didn't think about the shoes, and I don't know. Right? Okay. Okay. Where's Dad? Can you see if he's coming? He's coming from the other side.
Hello.
Can you see him? No, not yet. There he comes.
Hi everybody, we just come home. We took a shower. We are gonna eat. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment down below if you like this video, and subscribe, and bye bye.